Hey everyone! Welcome back to Elegancepreneur Channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and profitable business idea: how to start a mobile bar business. Whether you're a cocktail enthusiast or just looking for a fun side hustle, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started in 2025. Let's get mixing! First things first, let's talk about the basics. A mobile bar business is exactly what it sounds like. A portable bar that you can take to events like weddings, parties, corporate gatherings, and festivals. It's a fantastic way to turn your love for drinks into a thriving business. But where do you start? Let's break it down into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Research and plan. Before you start buying equipment or mixing drinks, you need a solid plan. Research your local market. Are there enough events in your area? Who's your competitor? What kind of mobile bar do you want to run? Will you focus on cocktails, beer and wine, or non-alcoholic options? Once you've got a clear idea, write a business plan. This will include your budget, target audience, and pricing strategy. Step 2. Get the right equipment. Your mobile bar needs to be portable and professional. Here's what you'll need: a portable bar setup, like a foldable bar table or a trailer, glassware, shakers, and tools, a cooler or fridge for drinks, a generator for power, if needed, and decorations to match the vibe of your events. Don't forget to check local regulations. Some areas may require specific equipment for serving alcohol. Step 3. Handle the legal stuff. This is super important. You'll need to register your business and get a tax ID. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits to serve alcohol. Get liability insurance to protect yourself in case of accidents. Check local laws about where and when you can serve alcohol. Pro tip: consult a lawyer or business advisor to make sure you're fully compliant. Step 4. Build your brand and market your business. Your mobile bar needs a strong brand to stand out. Start by creating a catchy name and logo. Then build an online presence with a website and social media pages. Show off your drinks, share client testimonials, and post behind-the-scenes content. Networking is key too. Reach out to event planners, venues, and potential clients to book gigs. Step 5. Deliver an amazing experience. Your success depends on happy customers, so focus on providing top-notch service. Create a unique drink menu, train your staff if you have any, and always show up prepared. Word of mouth is powerful in this industry, so make every event unforgettable. And that's it. Starting a mobile bar business in 2025 is totally doable if you follow these steps. Remember, it's all about planning, staying legal, and delivering an amazing experience. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more business tips. Cheers to your new venture, and I'll see you in the next video.